Welcome to our channel where we dive into the world of budgeting and frugal living to help you achieve your financial goals without sacrificing the things you love. In today's video, we're going to share some practical tips and tricks on how to save money and live a more frugal lifestyle. Budgeting and frugal living are essential components of financial success. By effectively managing your finances, you can take control of your money and work towards achieving your long-term goals, whether it's saving for a dream vacation, buying a home, or building a comfortable retirement fund. Adopting frugal hacks in your everyday life can have a multitude of benefits. Not only can it help you save money, but it can also lead to a more sustainable and mindful way of living, from cutting down on unnecessary expenses to finding creative ways to make the most of what you already have. There are endless opportunities to be more frugal in your daily routines. So, if you're looking to stretch your dollars further, stick around for some valuable insights and actionable advice that will help you on your journey to financial freedom. Let's dive in. Understanding budgeting. Budgeting is the cornerstone of financial stability, helping individuals take control of their money and make informed decisions about their spending habits. At its core, budgeting involves creating a plan for how you will allocate your income to cover your expenses, save for the future, and achieve your financial goals. Setting smart financial goals is a crucial first step in the budgeting process. Smart goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By clearly defining your objectives, whether it's paying off debt, saving for a major purchase, or building an emergency fund, you can stay focused and motivated on your financial journey. Tracking expenses is another essential aspect of budgeting. By monitoring where your money is going, you can identify areas where you may be overspending and make adjustments to stay within your budget. Utilizing tools such as budgeting apps or spreadsheets can help you track your expenses more effectively and gain insights into your spending patterns. Creating a budget plan involves outlining your income, expenses, and savings goals in a structured manner. By allocating specific amounts to different categories, such as housing, transportation, groceries, and entertainment, you can ensure that your money is being used wisely and in alignment with your financial priorities. Stay tuned for more tips on budgeting and frugal living in the upcoming segments. Frugal living techniques. In today's fast-paced world, adopting frugal living techniques can not only help you save money, but also lead to a more sustainable and mindful way of living. From meal planning to DIY projects and secondhand shopping, there are numerous ways to reduce expenses and make the most of your resources. Meal planning is a powerful tool for saving money and eating healthier. By mapping out your meals for the week, you can avoid unnecessary trips to the grocery store, reduce food waste, and stick to a budget-friendly shopping list. Preparing meals at home not only saves money compared to dining out, but also allows you to control the ingredients and portion sizes, leading to healthier eating habits. Engaging in creative DIY projects is another fantastic way to save money and add value to your everyday life. Whether it's upcycling old furniture, making your own cleaning products, or crafting homemade gifts, DIY projects can be both cost-effective and rewarding. Not only do they save you money, but they also provide a sense of accomplishment and personalization to your living space. Thrift stores and online marketplaces are treasure troves for finding affordable and unique items. By exploring these options, you can score great deals on clothing, furniture, electronics, and more, all while reducing waste and supporting a more sustainable shopping culture. So, get ready to embrace frugal living techniques and watch your savings grow. A budget-friendly lifestyle. Embracing a budget-friendly lifestyle goes beyond just saving money. It's about making conscious choices that benefit both your wallet and the environment. By adopting simple practices to minimize waste, save energy, and prioritize needs over wants, you can lead a more sustainable and financially responsible life. Reducing waste is a key aspect of a budget-friendly lifestyle. By practicing recycling, upcycling, and conscious consumption, you can minimize your environmental impact while also saving money. Repurposing items, buying second-hand goods, and avoiding single-use plastics are effective ways to reduce waste and contribute to a more sustainable future. Saving energy not only helps lower utility bills, but also promotes environmental sustainability. Simple practices, such as turning off lights when not in use, using energy-efficient appliances, and adjusting your thermostat can make a significant difference in your energy consumption. By being mindful of your energy usage, you can reduce your carbon footprint and save money on your monthly expenses. It's essential to distinguish between essential expenses and discretionary spending when budgeting. Prioritizing needs over wants can help you make informed decisions about where to allocate your money, ensuring that you are meeting your financial obligations while also enjoying the occasional splurge. By being intentional with your spending and focusing on what truly matters, you can achieve a balanced and fulfilling budget-friendly lifestyle. Financial goal setting. Setting achievable financial goals is the first step towards taking control of your finances and working towards financial independence. By creating a clear roadmap for your money, you can make informed decisions, build a secure financial future, and turn your dreams into reality. Assisting viewers in setting both short-term and long-term financial goals that align with their values is crucial. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debt, or planning for retirement, defining specific and measurable goals can provide direction and motivation on your financial journey. Building an emergency fund is a key component of financial goal setting. Having a safety net of savings can help you weather unexpected expenses, job loss, or medical emergencies without derailing your financial progress. By setting aside a portion of your income regularly, you can build a financial cushion that provides peace of mind and security. Encouraging viewers to regularly review their financial goals and make adjustments to their savings plan is essential for staying on track. Life circumstances and priorities may change, requiring flexibility in your financial strategy. By monitoring your progress, celebrating milestones, and making necessary tweaks to your savings plan, you can ensure that you are moving closer to financial independence with each step. Stay tuned for more tips on achieving your financial goals and securing your financial future. We've explored the essential principles of budgeting and frugal living to help you achieve financial well-being and secure your future. By understanding the significance of managing your money wisely and adopting frugal hacks in your daily life, you can take control of your finances and work towards your financial goals with confidence. Recapping the importance of budgeting and frugal living, we've highlighted how these practices can lead to financial stability, reduce stress, and a more mindful approach to spending. By setting smart financial goals, tracking expenses, and creating a budget plan, you can pave the way for a brighter financial future. It's time to take action and start implementing the tips and strategies shared in this video. Whether it's meal planning, DIY projects, energy-saving practices, or setting up an emergency fund, every small step you take towards financial responsibility brings you closer to your goals. We invite you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and practical advice on budgeting, frugal living, and achieving financial independence. Together, let's empower ourselves to make smart financial decisions and build a secure financial future. Thank you for watching, and here's to your financial success.